The South Stack Lighthouse is built on the summit of a small island off the northwest coast of Holy Island, Anglesey, Wales. It was built in 1809 to warn ships of the dangerous rocks below. The lighthouse has warned passing ships of the treacherous rock below since its completion in 1809. The 91-foot, 28 meters tall lighthouse on South Stack was designed by Daniel Alexander, and the main light is visible to passing vessels for 24 nmi 44 kilometers, 28 miles, and was designed to allow safe passage for ships on the treacherous Dublin-Holyhead-Liverpool sea route. It provides the first beacon along the northern coast of Anglesey for eastbound ships. It is followed by lighthouses, foghorns and other markers at North Stack, Holyhead Breakwater, the Scaries, the Mice, Point Linners, and at the southeast tip of the island Trewindoo. The lighthouse is operated remotely by Trinity House. It has been visited by the team at Most Haunted. Visitors can climb to the top of the lighthouse and tour the engine room and exhibition area. The lighthouse is open seasonally.